matter, Kickers? You want this? Is that what you want? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I need to get the toy. I need to get the toy right there. Hold on. Kiko. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry you guys, sorry this is a little shaky, but so here's the toy. Here's the Chuckit. That's Riley you hear. But Kiko is going bananas for this. So let's watch. I just threw it. She's not going after it. She wants to go after this. So, come on. Let's go get the toy. I don't know what it is about this. Okay, I'm trying to get the toy. Hold on. Hold on, Kiko. Let's get the toy. Okay, we're going to try this again. So here it is with the actual toy. So you can hear her going crazy. So I'm going to check it. She'll run back, she'll drop the toy, and she'll go after this. There she goes. All right, we need to go get some water.